We're living in a time of groundbreaking innovation, and Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang says we've just entered a new era, the age of Agentic AI. But what does Agentic AI mean, and how will it transform our world? Jensen Huang is known for his visionary leadership in technology, and his declaration of this new AI era isn't just hype. It's a reflection of how far AI has come and where it's heading. Agentic AI is poised to change everything from how we work to how we interact with the world. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? It refers to systems that can act independently, make decisions, and solve complex problems without relying on constant human input. These are AI models that don't just react to commands, they perceive, reason, plan, and take action. Essentially, Agentic AI gives machines the power to function as autonomous agents in real-world scenarios. Huang believes this evolution is the most significant leap in AI since its inception. According to him, the age of Agentic AI represents a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity, with the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and more. Imagine a healthcare system where Agentic AI monitors patient vitals in real time, predicting complications and delivering treatments autonomously. Picture self-driving cars that navigate the most chaotic environments with precision, or factories that optimize themselves for maximum efficiency. These are just a few ways Huang envisions Agentic AI reshaping the future. Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. Under Huang's leadership, Nvidia has developed the hardware and software that power these advanced systems. Their GPUs provide the immense computational power required to train Agentic AI models, while their software platforms make it easier for developers to build and deploy these systems across industries. This isn't just about theoretical possibilities, it's already happening. Agentic AI systems are being integrated into real-world applications today, from customer service chatbots that resolve issues autonomously to predictive systems that can prevent cyber attacks before they occur. But as Huang acknowledges, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of Agentic AI raises critical ethical questions. Who is accountable for the decisions these systems make? How do we ensure that they operate without bias or harm? Security is also a major concern. Autonomous systems are incredibly powerful, but they're also vulnerable to exploitation. Huang emphasizes the importance of robust safeguards to prevent misuse and ensure that Agentic AI is a force for good. Despite these challenges, Huang's optimism about the future of Agentic AI is palpable. He believes that this technology will unlock human potential, freeing us from repetitive tasks and enabling us to focus on creativity, innovation, and problem-solving. Agentic AI isn't just about automation. It's about empowerment. It's about creating systems that work alongside us, enhancing our abilities and helping us achieve things we never thought possible. What do you think about this new era of AI? Are you excited about the possibilities, or do you have concerns about the implications of such autonomous systems? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, share it with others who are curious about the future of technology, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into cutting-edge innovations.